MTV Cribs, welcome to Hoi An. Come in. So, as you walk into the room, we have a fan and an aircon. 10 out of 10 combo, if you ask me. We then have a little mini fridge that I think you have already put some drinks in, haven't you? Fully stocked. We've got a kettle, a hairdryer that looks a bit like a Dyson. Girlies will understand. Anyway, we then have wardrobe. She's creaky. Nice. We then have the bed. Lovely and comfortable. We then have Netflix on the TV. Working. Same as last one. We didn't actually do an MTV Cribs last time, but they had Netflix as well. Little desk area. We then have a little balcony out here with some tiny little children's chairs. So I'm going to sit out here and watch the sunset, basically. Oh, bathroom. We didn't do the bathroom. Come through, guys. The bathroom's actually quite nice. You have a nice sink. Very cinematic, babe. Sink, mirror, towels, bathroom. Anyway, this is Hoi An. Enjoy the vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to day one in Hoi An.
We are officially getting our clothes tailored. We're at the tailor shop.
I wasn't going to get anything, but now I'm getting
He's been convinced by the lovely ladies. Shirt. And Alice is being measured right now. She looks terrified. It's costing us how many? It's 3 million altogether.
So it's about £90 for 3 items.
3 items. But they're tailored to your body and they're 100% linen as well. We've gone for the upgraded fabric. I've got a thick neck.
45 họ cách 24 hoặc âm nhật 36 hoặc eo 40. How about the next you want to try this? Down here.
Whoa.
It's the same. 40 tiếng. 103. Eo 42. Không tập cái phần vòng dưới 104.
Big bum.
Oh, we did.
Oh my god. No, because he'll pinch you.
Will he?
Yeah. Okay. Wow. That's cute.
You can try. You try on.
Okay, if you insist.
I'm so saying that this one is small.
Nice. Yeah.
Like this one is very cool. See, fucking beautiful.
Hello.
Hello. We are back from the beach now. And we've just got ready. We are now going to try on our clothes from the tailor. We're going to try those on and meet Alice and then go for some dinner. So we'll see what the clothes have turned out like. You didn't even give them a brief of what you wanted.
We have no idea,
He just said a shirt slightly fitted.
Yeah.
So I have no clue what they're making for him. I gave them detailed photos. So we'll see how good they are.
We are back at the tailor. Let's try on the outfits.
That looks so smart. This is yours. Oh, I actually love this. Is this girl trying to steal my man? So smart.
Hi guys, want a boat ride?
On the boat. A lantern boat. We have little lanterns that we can light and put in the water and make a wish. So lovely. Oh yes, thank you.
Let's get some water. We
Hello.
are in Hoi An Old Town. It's our last day here. So we're just doing a little bit of shopping.
Trying to find some sunglasses. She said, what time should I get to yours? I think it's just in the evening. Is it a cute bag? This one. My Jalulu. Should I buy it?
The way back to the homestay now. We leave today. We're on a sleeper bus for about 7:30 tonight to 8 tomorrow morning to go to Jalice. So that should be fun. Luckily we can kind of get to sleep through most of it. Morning. We just got off the sleeper bus from Hoi An to Jalice. I'm tired. It's 19 degrees and raining. Our room isn't ready for another couple hours. Probably had like an hour sleep on the bus, so that's fun. Gonna end the video here. So I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, motherfucker.